So SketchUp is a feature-rich application, and if you were to go around over here onto the menus, you can see that there are a lot of options that you can utilize for creating your 3D model. So if you want to go ahead and search for a specific option, then what you can actually do is you can utilize find option, which you can access by going around onto the search SketchUp by clicking on the magnifying glass right here. So if I were to go around and type in texture, let's say for example, then you can see that you have access to texture related options right here. If I were to go to draw, then you can see that I got freehand tool right here. So similarly, I can go ahead now and simply go ahead and draw it out just like this. So apart from that, what you can also do is you can press Shift S on your keyboard to have quick access to the search bar right here just like this, and you can go ahead and, let's say for example, type in anything that you like. So let's just press Shift S right here, and you can see that that is what you have right here, Shift S. So I'm just going to go to texture, or maybe for example I'm going to go ahead and say line right here just like this, and then you can see that I can go ahead and add in a line right here just like this. And that is how you can simply go ahead and utilize the search function to quickly get the options that you like inside of SketchUp. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe